Okay, so in this session we will discuss about how to install the Python. Okay, so the first you need to we will discuss how to install the Python by use of the anaconda, and then I will discuss about how to use the GoLab. There is also notebook, online notebook is available, so that thing we will discuss. So first search anaconda download. Okay, and when you click on the anaconda distribution, here the download option is available. Just click on the download, hit the file, keep and download. Okay, so it is means 500 or 600 MB, and it will take some time. Okay, so I just close here. After completing this download, just click next, 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 and okay. Okay, so all the download will happen. Then you will get this Anaconda 3 64-bit in your video. So now when you press Anaconda 3, so here the Jupyter notebook is available. So click on the Jupyter notebook and you can start your coding part. So I click on the Jupyter notebook and it will take some time, but yes, now yes, it is available. So here you can see the Jupyter notebook is available and I can even start the coding here. This is the very basic step. Even you can do the coding in the Google Colab also. Just wait. So now here you can see A plus is 2 plus 3 and you will get the output. So this is the installation part. Okay, just go to the Anaconda part. It's very basic, it's simple step. Search Anaconda download and just download that particular thing. Okay, here click on the download and that particular Anaconda platform will be available after installing on your laptop. The next you can do the same coding in the Google Colab. There also you can do the Python related coding. It is taking some time. Yes, and here you can do the coding. Even you can make a new and you can start the coding here also. Just click on the press code and you can do the coding like 2 plus 3. Okay, so here also you can do the coding. You will get the output. It is actually connecting, so initially it will take some time, but yes, you can do your coding here also. But in system, I generally prefer to do all the coding part in my system. Okay. So here GPU also available. If you see in the runtime, there GPU also available. So this is a good platform when you do some image analytics related part. Okay. Yes, you can do the Python coding in the VS Studio, and that is actually used for the deployment purpose also. So here also you can do the here Jupyter notebook also available in the VS Code, and you can connect your this VS Studio with your Anaconda, and you can make the coding here also. So here also you can see these are the things. Some actually project I am doing, but yes, you can do the coding here also, like 2 plus 3, and you will get the output. Okay. So in VS Studio also you can do the coding. But first it will connect with your it is actually running in your this anaconda only. Okay, so I actually use the anaconda python here for doing coding, and you will get the file as well as here you can see the execution time. So this is the installation part regarding the python, and after that we will start some basic as well as we discuss the panda numpy and all library in the Jupyter notebook only, because Jupyter notebook initially will help means we write each code and we can see the output, and it is very means you can say easy to use. So that we will prepare initially, and once we doing the project, then we can do the we can use the VS Studio, PyCharm and all platform. So thank you. This video only for the installation part. Thanks.